Okay, so today we are talking about literal equations and formulas. So a literal equation is typically a formula, something with a bunch of different variables. It is a relationship between one quantity and one or more other quantities. So you'll have different letters in a formula, more than one. Okay. A literal equation is an equation expressed in letters or variables with known constants. Okay, so we have this simple interest formula, I equals PRT. We will use it later in the year. You might have seen it before in pre-algebra. This is a real formula that's used. The I stands for interest. The P stands for principal. The R stands for rate as a decimal. And T stands for time. Guys, you should be quiet. Sure. Okay, so I'm going to copy this formula down again. What I want to do is I want to solve for t. That means get the letter t all alone. So in order to do this, I want to use algebraic properties to solve for t. Huh? Okay, so what is currently happening to the t in the formula right now? So it's being multiplied by the p and r. What is the opposite of multiplication? Division. So I want to divide both sides by pr. So are any of these real numbers that I can divide? No. So I'm just going to have t equals I divided by pr for my final answer. We're just rearranging the formula for other letters. It's...
Then do it.
Okay, so the purpose of this is if I'm given a formula and I have it written in terms of a different letter, I can use that to solve for the other ones. So When given a simple interest formula written in terms of t, it can be used to find the time if I know the interest, the principal, and the rate. Okay, so the next problem says in half an hour Sarah is meeting her friends at the lake 6 miles from her house. What average speed must she ride her bike to get there on time? So here we want to use our distance formula, and we are going to isolate r to find this average speed. Huh? No, that's the letter R. Sorry. Thanks. You guys have some pretty interesting handwriting too. Okay, so my distance formula is d, guys, quiet down. My distance formula is d equals rt. I want to rewrite this for r. So, how do I rewrite this for r? What do I need to do to get r alone? I need to divide by what? T. So the t's on my right side will cancel out. And then I have r equals d divided by t. So now I need to find the average speed or the rate at which Sarah must ride her bike to be there on time. So let me rewrite this down here. What is her distance she needs to go? Yeah, 6 miles. And how long? We usually measure time in hours. So, how long does she need to ride her bike? No, I'm not ready for that answer yet. Well, 30 minutes is right. How long of an hour is that? So 0.5. And then I can use my calculator. What is 6 divided by 0.5? 12. So this means Sarah needs to ride her bike at an average speed of 12 miles per hour to get to the lake on time.